The metals are there, the metal atoms are there. Suppose this is silver, silver atoms are there. So silver atoms are bonded with each other. It is neither ionic bond or electrovalent bond nor covalent bond. This particular specific bond is known as what? This particular specific bond is known as metallic bond, and that is why this type of solids are called metallic bond solids. Okay. And the fourth type is called molecular solids or molecular bond solids. Now here the particles are molecules. The particles here are molecules. The particles here are molecules. Okay. I told it can be atoms, it can be ions, it can be molecules. Now the particles are molecules, and the nature of the bonding between them is just a kind of intermolecular force of attraction. Now intermolecular force of attraction in class 11 we had seen can be of different types. It can be of type polar, simply polar type. If the molecule is polar, if it shows the dipole moment, then it will be polar. Okay, the molecular force, intermolecular force of attraction will be polar. For example, suppose if I talk about H2O, ice. Suppose I am talking of ice, H2O. H2O means not water, ice. Water is a polar molecule. I mean H2 is a polar molecule. Another H2O, another H2O. So what is the nature of the force between these molecules? The nature of the force is dipole-dipole interaction. Both has got polarity, so it is a dipole-dipole interaction. That type of molecular solids are called polar molecular solids. If it is non-polar, if the molecule is non-polar, if some molecule is there where the polarity is not there, some crystalline solid is there where the polarity is not there, non-polar molecules. Okay. For example, suppose solid carbon dioxide, that is also a crystalline solid. Okay. Carbon dioxide, if it is carbon dioxide, what is there? Carbon dioxide, is non-polar because of its linear structure. We know it, right? We studied that in class 11. So carbon dioxide bonded with carbon dioxide, that nature of the intermolecular force is non-polar bonding. Obviously, some kind of bonding will be there, Van der Waals force or whatever, but the solid is non-polar bonding. Yes? Okay. And the third one, obviously that very, very specifically, is called hydrogen bonding solid. Hydrogen bonding solid, that a special type of bond where the compound must have hydrogen, and it must be directly bonded with either fluorine or nitrogen or oxygen. We have done it. Okay. So ice, again I am coming back to ice. Ice is also can be classified under hydrogen bonding solid. Hydrogen bonding solid is nothing but polar bonding solid. Okay. But that's a special type of polar bonding solid where the hydrogen is involved, where the dipole-dipole interaction is involved. I hope it is clear. The classification of the solids, crystalline solids, is clear. What is the classification of crystalline solids? How many types of solids are there? There are 4 types. What are the 4 types? The first one, ionic. Ions are involved. Second type, covalent, where the nature of the bonding is covalent. Third type, metallic, where the nature of the bonding is metallic, only the metal atoms are involved. And fourth type, are molecular, where the molecules are involved, but that can be of 3 types: polar, non-polar, and hydrogen bonding. I hope this basic thing is very, very clear. Okay. So now I am going to just